Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the Mac so sync works cleanly. First, update Mac OS and back up any critical images. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication is active because iCloud requires it. Next, open System Settings, click Apple ID, then iCloud, and toggle on iCloud Photos. This registers your library with iCloud and starts the initial handshake, which can take time depending on library size. Now manage how your photos move to iCloud and how originals are stored. You should inspect iCloud storage in the same Apple ID pane. If usage is above 80%, upgrade your plan to avoid stalls. Then open the Photos app, go to Preferences iCloud, and choose Optimize Mac Storage to save space, or download originals if you need full files locally. Also, make sure you're on reliable Wi-Fi and prevent sleep so the initial full upload completes uninterrupted. Finish by verifying that Photos is uploading. Look at the status bar for items remaining and wait until it reports up to date. If things stall, quit and relaunch Photos, or sign out and back into your Apple ID to reinitiate syncing. Make sure you have adequate local disk space and confirm iCloud service status on Apple's system page if uploads fail. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting your Mac after signing back often clears stuck transfers and resumes normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.